Using Excel and financial calculator, I will show you how to figure out YTM. Let's collect information first. Interest, present value, payment, future value. In this case, number of year will be 10, but quarterly case. Times 4, 40 payment. Okay? Interest, we do not know. Present value, 935.9. This negative sign indicates cash outflow. Okay? How to figure out payment? Par value times coupon rate, again quarterly case, divided by 4. Enter. Future value will be 1000. Figure out YTM. Oops. Number of year times 4. Payment, present value, future value, okay, times 4, quarterly case. You will get 11.07%. Now, let's figure out YTM with a financial calculator. Okay? 40, 935.9, negative sign, coupon payment, par value. Compute YTM, again, times 4. Here we go.